Konnichiwa Toyota. My name is Salim. I'm from Bangalore. I must say that this is my third vehicle with Toyota. First was my Innova Krista, second being Hyryder, and the third delivery that I'm going to take today is Hilux. And so one of the reasons why I always come here, especially in Nandi, is simply because of the customer service. I have a personal favorite here, which is Hariharan, and he's been a fantastic guy. So hopefully my fourth vehicle with Toyota is going to be Land Cruiser, inshallah. So what do I say about Hariharan? He's been an amazing guy, and always on a call. You call him, even if the call goes unattended, he makes sure he call me back, and the updates are on time. So one hell of a guy. I think Toyota must be really proud of this guy. Is one masterclass customer service guy that I've ever seen in my life. And so right after we buy the car, the happiness doesn't end there. So we go to Manohar, who's from the accessories department. So my personal favorite again is Manohar from the accessories department, is because of not the discount that he gives, but as a matter of fact, he doesn't go overboard. He doesn't try to cross-sell. He doesn't try to sell as much as he can. So whatever I want from my side, he'll make sure that, okay, is it needed? Yeah, if it's needed, take it. If not, don't buy it. So that's his attitude. So he's not pushy at all. So overall, fantastic service with Toyota, and basically I'm a Toyota guy because I know what they are. So thanks to Toyota, thanks to Hariharan, thanks to Manohar. Because of them, I think I've always made sure that I come back here. Thank you so much.